Pillow! Pillow! Pillow!
Shut up.
Why?
Because she needs one.
Yeah, I'm recording this, right?
Pillow! I'm going to get a pillow.
I need a pillow. Hot and dangerous if you're one of us that brought with us.
Nicole, I should have got a pillow. Right there. Okay. I touched your foot again.
I think you're gonna make me fall.
Hold on, wait. I don't want to fall and like set off.
Oh, I'm home.
You ready? Wheezy. Hey, you're not so down there.
Oh,
Wait,
you'll be okay.
Wait, are you recording? Shut up, Nicole. Oh, are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Oh, okay, ready? Your mom is gonna come here and wonder what. You're moving too much. I'm strong, but I ain't that strong. Right here. That's where I've been putting it. You keep moving forward and hurting yourself. Put it up some more. That's what you're. Never mind. That's weird right there. You want to touch your foot again?
Oh my gosh.
What? I'm about to jump. Don't you dare jump. You gotta pull your hands out or you're gonna fall forward. Jesus. Ow.